This is pretty cool on a watch, not gonna lie. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new smartwatch. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews, so let's go and actually check it out. Let's see. Oh damn, that's nice. Check it out. User manual. Very nice size display right there. And even the band too. Look at that. Nice band. They do send you an alternative band for it if you need to make any adjustments. And then the charger itself, which is what the charger looks like right here. All right, and then let's go ahead and actually charge it up now. So as you can see, yep, right there. It's got the two little pieces that we're gonna go ahead and it'll hook onto. Yep, just like that. So it says you gotta charge it first. Let's see if it's got any juice in it. There we go. So it's got 3 buttons. It's got power, it's got menu, and then it's got light. So let's go and just power it on, see if it's got any juice in there. Oh, there we go. Check that out. All right, let's set it up. All right, so I hit English, and then it says to go ahead and download the FitCloudPro app or scan to bind. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan it with my phone to actually test it out. So let's go and do that. You can't skip this step, but I do actually want to set it up with my phone to actually see how it works. All right, so first you want to go ahead and download that FitCloudPro app. Went ahead and allowed the Bluetooth. Go ahead and go through all these prompts. Go ahead and select the watch from the Bluetooth option. So there it is at AK87. So then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to go ahead and go back to the application, hit search now so that we can bind the smartwatch. Once it locates it, go ahead and click on it just like I did there. Hit pair. Like I said, I did allow notifications. Give it a couple seconds and then it'll go ahead and be good to go. Hit enjoy now. And this is what the layout of the app looks like. Quite a bit of things that it keeps track of. But again, super simple to set up. A lot of information that you can get from the smartwatch straight on the application. All right, so as you can see, the binding was actually very simple. So let's go and actually go through some of the features on here. As you can see, the touchscreen works really smoothly. Probably one of the things I always like to make sure is that it's actually super smooth when it comes to this. As you can see, you could add more features on here. And right down here's all the other apps. Got a calculator there. Let me see, we got a game. Racing car. Whoa. Look at this. This is pretty cool on a watch, not gonna lie. Oh. That's cool. All right, nice. So another cool feature on there is like it's got some games on there, different. I'm gonna put it on my wrist so you can check out the heart rate. So as you can see, it works. Very cool. And then we also got, if you want to record your exercises, this is a big one, especially if you go to the gym or do outdoor walks, anything like that. Just push that right there. You're good to go. This screen is very cool. And then I do want to show back here, it also does have a light. Check that out. It's pretty cool. All right, and I do want to say this is a 1.7-inch display. And then if we go down here, you can see it has the flashlight, which I showed right there with the button, but it does have different options. SOS mode, check it out. Warning mode, constant light mode. So very cool that you can, in case you need any of these other options, they are on there. And then what I did want to say about the workouts, it's got over 100 different workouts that you can choose from. Super cool. Monitor your sleep, 24-hour monitor if you so like to. And then if you did want to change like the face of it right here, just go to settings, display, watch faces, and they have different options for you to choose from. So we can change it to, we'll leave it on this one. All right, there it is, set, just tap on it, good to go. All right, so let's go next to use a voice assistant, check it out.
Your 4 p.m. alarm is already on.
All right, and then one of the other features I wanted to show on here, if we go here, hit this button right here, it'll send a signal to your phone. So we are able to do that find phone feature, which I thought was very neat. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and answer it. Hello? As you can see, it has its own speaker on here. So I thought that was a neat feature as well, is that you don't have to actually pick up your phone. You can just keep talking through the watch. Now let's go ahead and try out a text message. So I then asked the assistant to set an alarm for 4 p.m. that day. As you can see, it gives you a preview of the text messages right then and there as well. I'm going to clear the messages for now, but super cool. All right, and then the last thing that I'm going to say about the watch is if you charge it for the full time of 3 hours, so if it's completely dead and you charge it all the way up to 100%, it'll last you 30 days, it'll last you a whole month. But the other cool feature is it'll even go up to 100 days if you just have it on the watch standby mode. So very impressive battery built into the watch. All right, and then I did want to say the watch is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, temperature proof. So again, against all kinds of elements, you should be good with this watch. All right, guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new smartwatch, definitely consider this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can get yours. Highly recommend.